So many traders today might have got confused about today's market, but this is my today's intraday trade performance, and I'll be telling you why this confusion happened and how the market performed and how I was able to analyze today's stock and also the market. Okay, so watch the video till the end completely to get the complete knowledge. Okay, so today the market opened in a gap down section. Yes, the market opened 200 points down for today. Okay, and it opened at 23,666, and according to the analysis I know that the Nifty 50 had a support level somewhere around 23,600 to 23,550 level. Okay, so this were my levels what I analyzed around 9:15 when the market opened. Okay, so after that what happened was I selected my stock to trade. So I trade without any indicators. I selected Axis Bank to trade. Okay, so I trade with my knowledge. So I'm trading from almost 12 years plus, and I trade completely without indicators. Okay, so if you guys wish to get connected with me to learn about more without indicator based trading, and also if you guys want to get the personal support from me, do check out the description box. There is my Telegram link where you can click and connect with me personally for educational support. Okay, so now let's talk about the Axis Bank stock analysis what I have done. Okay, so Axis Bank I just selected around 9:30 a.m. So now the analysis what I've done on Axis Bank was very simple. So if this stock crosses above 1218, it's a buying side trade. So if that level crosses, it's a kind of an resistance breakout where the buyers will come in. So if that breaks, I'll be going to the buying side. Or if the stock breaks below 1210, then I'll be going to the short selling side, is what I have decided. So after 9:30 a.m., the stock become a bit of a range bounded side. Okay, even the market was not going in a much of a momentum side. So I'll explain you what happened in Nifty also, and again in my trading stock what happened. Okay, so I waited. So I don't select too many stocks. I just select one or two stocks and concentrate only on that for entire day. Okay, so I waited, and exactly around 11:30 or 11:45, you can see here a big candle gave a breakout. Okay, in the Axis Bank chart, and then it gave a breakout on the buying side. So it went above 1218, and you can see here the stock has gone continuously up for the day, and it has gone till 1237 for the day. So this was my today's intraday trade, and this is how it performed. Okay, so I traded here without any indicators with my knowledge. Okay, so this is how I select with my knowledge, and this is how I traded with my strategy and the knowledge. Okay, and this is how the stock performed as well. If at all, if the stock would have gone below 1210, I would have entered to the short selling side, but the stock went up and gave a breakout on the buying side, and the stock did perform well on a buying side for the day. So this is my stock analysis. So now let's come about talk about Nifty 50, how the Nifty 50 performed for the day. So as I said you, at the opening itself, there was a support level at 23,660, around 600 to 23,550. Okay, the opening was 23,660 for today. So now what happened? So once the markets saw, as I said, the market opened in a big gap, minus 0.85% down, 200 points down today. So by seeing this gap down situation, many people will think that the market will entirely come down for the day, or it is bearish for the day, right? So any beginner or any inexperienced people will feel that. So that's not how you should see the market. Even a gap up market can reverse, or a gap down market can reverse. Of course, it can continue the trend. For that, you need to know where the support or distance level is of Nifty 50 or the market is. That depends on the knowledge and the skill what you have. So according to my knowledge, I thought that the market might take support on this level, and the market exactly did that. So it took the support there, and it went up today, and it recovered today. So the market has closed somewhere close to 23,800 for today, somewhere around there. So it was an actually a recovery after a big fall in the market today. So the pre-open market, the opening was a big gap down, and later the market actually filled that gap, is what I can say in today's chart. Okay, so the market actually took a support and went up. So many traders, just by seeing the opening range or opening price, they just think that the whole day trend will be on that side, or it will be bearish, or it will be bullish. So it's not actually like that. Okay, so in intraday trading you need to be able to judge like whatever the time and whatever the situation you are trading in, and not only just by seeing the opening price or high or low you can just decide your market or decide your trade. It's not like that. You need to know the levels, or you need to know what is your strategy is and what is your setup is. So once you're able to analyze it, go through it, practice it and apply it, then only you can see the result. So intraday trading most of the time it's completely about the discipline, so note it down. Okay, so I followed my discipline, I followed my level. So I didn't say that the market is gap opening, or I didn't say the market is opening in a gap down. I just stick to my analysis, I just stick to my strategy. So however it is, I just go according to it. Only when the stock gives certain kind of breakout, or only when the chart says some certain kind of entry, that's when I take a trade. I don't randomly trade for the sake of trading. I just completely follow my discipline, and this is what the result was. Okay, so the target was hit it, so the stock went on the target zone. So this is my today's trade and analysis, guys. So let me know what you feel about this video. If you guys have any doubt, any question, do drop them in the comment section. And as I said you, on the description there's my telegram link to connect with me personally for more educational support if you guys wish to connect with me. Okay, so with my 12 years plus of experience I can guide you what is the right path you can be in stock market is what I can tell. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do subscribe and follow for more updates and knowledge like this.